Mastering eye contact in business settings. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of nonverbal communication. Specifically, we'll focus on eye contact in business and professional settings. As you navigate through English-speaking work environments, mastering the art of eye contact is crucial. Let's explore why. Eye contact is more than just a visual connection. In a business setting, it builds trust. Maintaining the right amount of eye contact shows that you're honest and open. Shows confidence. A steady gaze can display self-assurance. Enhances active listening. It indicates you're fully engaged in the conversation. Finding the right balance is key. Too little. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem uninterested or shy. Too much. Overly intense eye contact can make others uncomfortable or feel like they're being stared down. The general guideline? Aim for 60 to 70% eye contact when speaking and 90% when listening. Remember, cultural backgrounds influence comfort levels with eye contact. In many Western cultures, steady eye contact is a sign of trustworthiness and confidence. However, in some cultures, prolonged eye contact might be viewed as aggressive or disrespectful. Always research the cultural norms of your business partners or audience to strike the right balance. Different business situations call for different types of eye contact. Meetings. Distribute your eye contact to all attendees, showing that you acknowledge everyone. One-on-one discussions. Maintain steady but relaxed eye contact. Presentations. Scan the room, connecting briefly with different individuals. Avoid staring at one spot or person. Eye contact is a powerful tool in the world of business communication. By understanding and practicing these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to fostering stronger connections and making more impactful impressions. We hope this video helps you shine even brighter in your professional endeavors. Until next time, happy learning!